Hey guys, I'm about to make it this shift and I just gotta cure this guy. And my mic wasn't working on this, so I'm just voicing over this, but yeah, don't worry what's in my background. So I'll just give him herbs. Okay. I'm gonna try to get the all the shifts. Yeah, pretty much. Oh no, I don't know if I can do this. This is really bad. Well, let's try this at least. The reason I sound so tired is because it's 3:47 a.m. right now. I hate these ghosts, bro. Bro. Yeah, I'm sorry that I didn't, make me getting the, shift 10 because I didn't have the idea and then everyone left. And then, I'm like, oh wait, I'm about to make it to shift 10 by myself. Well, not all by myself, but like when shift 10 comes, I'm gonna try to get past shift 10 and I'll see if I could do that actually right now. But yeah, I'll make a full video of me getting the shift 10 with some people. If you want to try to follow the steps too, but if you get, you might want to it depends if you're good or bad. Well, it doesn't really depend. It just depends. I hope you don't have any griefers, but yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, hit the ghost and some people are causing so many rituals. Take out that one. That one. Oh, he's about to die. Well, I got it easy. I got my sanity low. Let me get some coffee. God, bro, I love it. I just can't, it gives me, I just want to look at it. Okay, let's go over here. Okay, I don't know what to do now. Oh, well, yeah, I need that, right? That's the right one I need. Yep, I need it, okay. UV drops and... Oh my god, bro. Okay. Got it. Okay, so no ghost get, bro, what the heck is hitting me, bro? God, bro, I hate when they need so much things. Why is my sanity so low? Ghost, bro. Gosh. Okay. I'm gonna change it. I'm really tired. Tank, medicine, UV drops again. I think that's right. Okay, yeah. I think we're done. Do you have any more people? Did I already do room 5? I don't remember. Why am I even waiting in here, bruh? Oh yeah, I have to do room 5. Okay. Oh, by the way, make sure to like and subscribe if you guys want to. You don't have to. Your choice. Okay. And wait, someone started a ritual? Oh, I did not notice it. Oh, I'm cooked. Please tell me I'm making it time to shift 11 at least. Please shift 11. Oh, let's go. Yes, please. Please. Aw. Wait, did I make it to shift 11 this last second? Oh, yeah, that's the end of it. Bye, guys.